Guys, let's take a quick look at Tron here. This is the weekly time frame, and if you remember about a week ago or so, I made a few videos on Tron talking about this cup and handle. So let me show you this cup. So basically this is your cup all the way up here, and we got the handle here, as you can see, and we broke above the neckline. Neckline was sitting about 14.34 cents. And you can see last week's candle really pushed through it very hard. We are getting a red candle for the weekly this week, but let's see. Let's take a look at the daily time frame right now. I do believe this is just consolidation really here. I do believe once we break above about 16.65 cents, we're probably going to see a further push. So I'm just going to draw, it's a trend line, but it's not really a trend, guys. I'm just putting it here just to, give us some reference. So basically, if I mark this off, I believe after this point, we're going to push higher. Now, we are making higher lows, as you can see here as well. So here was a low. Now we're getting the next low. And we'll see, guys. Maybe the next push will go through this resistance here. I believe this is just some minor resistance. Now, if we zoom out on the longer term time scale, time frame here, basically this was, I think, the all-time high that we're really pushing up against. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. Like, really, if I zoom out and I show you this, up here was the all-time high. So basically at 18 cents is the all-time high. There really isn't any volume up here. I imagine that most people who bought up here probably sold. There could be some long-term hodlers, but there's probably very few. But yeah, guys, the target for this, which I measured in those videos before, and I'm not going to measure it again, it was somewhere between 23 and 24 cents. So basically, if you take the bottom of this cup all the way up to this neckline, and then you draw a line there and you move it over, it's going to be between 23 to 24 cents. So we should be at all-time highs. It's not going to happen tomorrow, maybe not even, next week, maybe not even next month. It's going to take time, guys. I believe this is going to be, when Bitcoin shows that it's healthy. Now, right now, Bitcoin, if we do take a look at it real quick, we can see that it is a bit healthier. And I'm not sure what's happening to my screen, but okay, there we go. Yeah, it's already closed out. But anyways, let me make this screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see. And sorry for the delay, but yeah, here we go, guys. So Bitcoin is right now getting kind of a little bit of a push after the economic numbers. If you can see on the weekly time scale, we did come all the way down here to 57, 8, 9, yeah. And because of the economic numbers today, which I can show you real quick, we are seeing a bounce. So everything, was pretty good. I mean, jobless claims was, slightly better, I would say, than what was expected. GDP was, better than expected. Price index also better than expected, guys. So yeah, I mean, a lot of these numbers, even jobless claims was slightly better. So really good day today. I do think later in the day you're going to see a little bit more of a push. Right now we are just breaking this 60.2 barrier, we can say, but I do feel that we may creep up to 61.3 with these numbers. So now on the 4-hourly time frame, right now we still have about another 2 hours 45 minutes, let's say, to close a candle above this daily resistance, which, again, it's the wrong time frame to really look at it. We do need to close a daily candle above this. That would be better. But again, the longer the time frame, the candles that we close over these resistances, the better. So let's see if we close at least a 1-hour candle. Yes, we have. So we closed the last hour above this line. Now 1 hour is a very low time frame, I can say. Not really enough to make a judgment, but yeah, you do probably want to look at a minimum 4-hour time frame, and daily and weekly time frames are better, of course. So anyways, this is what Bitcoin looks like at the moment. It is kind of breaking this area where we've kind of struggled here, you know, for what, the last week or so? No, actually, no, sorry, it's the last couple of days. Sorry, I'm looking at this on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, we've struggled here for a couple of days now, but we're finally getting that push. So anyways, guys, tomorrow I just want to mention that we do have some more economic numbers. Basically, European Union CPI is coming out. But most importantly, you do have the American PCE price index, personal spending, Chicago PMI, Michigan numbers. We also, I think, have... No, we don't have a speaker, really, I think. Only the ECB supervisory board member speaking. But yeah, I don't think there's any American Fed speakers or anything like this. Not that I see, just skimming through this real quick. Anyways, guys, that's basically what, you know, Tron looks like at the moment. We do need to break that resistance up there, like I said, and I believe it will be on its way. I mean, I think this is just really a consolidation, and yeah, 24 cents will be in the cards. So yep, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.